Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you're all doing amazing, because man, the new game mode Coliseum just dropped in Marvel Contest of Champions and people are absolutely loving it. And honestly, same here, bro. This thing is wild. Now look, it's a completely fresh game mode, right? Even though we kind of know how it works, there's still a lot we're all figuring out. More testing, more ideas, more crazy strategies. That's the fun part. So today, we're breaking down the top 5 champions you should be using for this new Coliseum mode. And yes, before someone jumps in the comments, these picks are mainly based on the first boss, Adam Warlock. But trust me, these champs aren't just good for him. They're straight up bangers for any future Coliseum matchup too. Alright, boys and girls, grab your boosts, grab your coffee, whatever you need, because we're diving straight into the top 5 best champions for the first ever Coliseum fight. Let's go. Number 5, Wong. Coming in at number 5, my boy Wong. And listen, Wong is absolutely insane for this fight, bro. Like, don't judge him by the first 2 health bars, alright? Because in the beginning, you're gonna see completely normal damage. Nothing crazy, nothing explosive. But that's the whole point. Those first 2 bars, that's your warm-up phase, your prep time, your Wong cooking stage. If you've ever used Wong properly, you already know what I'm talking about. Once this man is fully ramped, oh my god, those yellow numbers start flying like fireworks. Now here's the best part, because Adam Warlock is a cosmic champ, Wong gets double Eldritch energy thanks to that class advantage. Double, bro. That alone makes this matchup stupid good. All you gotta do is chill, build your Eldritch spells, stack them up as high as you can, and then Wong becomes a straight-up beast. And yo, let me highlight this. Wong is the only champion in this entire list who can literally finish this fight with a full yellow bar. Full health. That regeneration when he's ramped is actually illegal, bro. Like, how is this allowed? Your main damage? Easy. Special 2. Just hold heavy, get that power gain, and then let that SP2 fly. It's unblockable anyway, so you don't even need to stress about catching a parry or timing something perfectly. Just vibes. Wong gameplay is just vibes. All that time you spend building him up pays off beautifully once you start dropping those monster SP2s. And honestly, Wong is one of those champions people sleep on so hard. He's crazy powerful, but nobody talks about him because everyone is too busy simping over the usual top champs. But finally, we got a game mode where Wong and champions like Wong can actually shine. This is his playground, bro. So yeah, Wong absolutely deserves that number 5 spot. And honestly, in the future, once people test more and learn his ramp better, he might even go higher. Sliding into number 4, Deathless She-Hulk. And bro, she is an absolute monster for this fight. Now, just like every other champ on this list, the start is going to be kinda mid. You're not dropping crazy numbers right away, nothing flashy. But that's fine, because your whole mission in the early game is simple. Build those trauma debuffs, keep them refreshed. Let She-Hulk do She-Hulk things. And to do that, you gotta let Adam Warlock throw his specials. That's literally your bread and butter. Once you get that rhythm, that spacing, that timing, the traumas will stack up beautifully. And bro, once this woman crosses like 40+ trauma debuffs, oh, she's cooking. She is actually frying this fight. The damage goes from okay to yo, what the hell just happened? Now obviously, this does require a bit of skill, but honestly, any She-Hulk player already has that muscle memory. It's all spacing, baiting, and keeping calm. And once you get deeper into the fight, Adam Warlock's power gain goes absolutely nuts, which is great for you because he's constantly throwing specials, which means your traumas stay refreshed without much struggle. So in this specific Coliseum matchup, Deathless She-Hulk is a perfect pick. Now, here's the only downside. Her damage is completely debuff based. So if future bosses get Shrug, Cleans, Purify, any of that annoying stuff, She-Hulk players might be crying, bro. It is what it is. But for this fight, for Adam Warlock, she is locked in at number 4 and she deserves that spot. Deathless She-Hulk cooks this fight, no argument there. Alright, taking that number 3 spot, Gladiator. And bro, listen to me. It honestly feels like Kabam designed this entire fight around him. Like, hey, let's just give Gladiator a playground and let him bully Adam Warlock for 7 minutes straight. Because once you use him here, you will be shocked. Gladiator absolutely cooks this man. So if you're wondering, why is everyone losing their mind over Gladiator in this fight? Let me break it down real quick. When the fight starts, Your only job, literally your only homework, is to ramp up to Ultra Confidence, which means getting 24 plus confidence buffs. That's it. Once you hit that point, Gladiator turns into a whole different creature, bro. Because now, every time Adam Warlock throws a special, you can just dash in like a psycho and deal those insane burst damage hits. And here's the wild part. If you're skilled with him, you can squeeze out 3 burst hits off a single Adam Warlock SP1. 3 off one special. That is criminal, bro. Now, yeah, you gotta know Gladiator. You gotta be comfortable with his spacing, his timing, all that fun stuff. But once you practice him even a little bit, this becomes stupid easy and stupid deadly. Gladiator is genuinely one of the strongest picks for this entire piece of content. Like, he melts HP bars so fast, it looks like a magic trick. I don't know about future matchups yet. We'll have to wait and see what bosses they throw at us. But this fight right here, this one is made for Gladiator. No contest. Number 2, She-Hulk. All right, boys, coming in at number 2, we got the OG herself, She-Hulk. And listen, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this. She-Hulk is on a completely different level in this fight. Like for real, the champs we talked about earlier, Wong, Deathless She-Hulk, Gladiator, all amazing, all strong, all great picks. But OG She-Hulk, they don't even come close. If you know how to play her properly, you can literally become one of the top scorers in this entire Coliseum mode. She is that insane. And not just for Adam Warlock, I'm talking overall. Future fights, future bosses, this woman is going to be cooking a lot of them. And the playstyle is so simple, it's beautiful. Launch SP1, build those passive fury stacks, keep the spacing clean, let the opponent throw specials. Repeat, that's it, and it works perfectly in Coliseum. Because once those passive furies start stacking up, 20, 25, 30 plus, bro, your damage just goes to the moon, to the sun, to the entire solar system. I swear, when you hit around 30 passive furies, you're melting Adam Warlock's health bars like an ice cream in 45-degree summer heat. It's disgusting, but also extremely satisfying. And honestly, I don't even need to over-explain She-Hulk. We all know how busted she is for long fights. She's always been that sleeper beast that suddenly becomes top tier when you need extended damage ramps. So yeah, the second best option for this first Coliseum fight is 100% OG She-Hulk. She deserves the spot. No debate. Onslaught, and finally, taking that number 1 spot, the king himself, Onslaught. Bro, the absolute god of Marvel Contest of Champions is still the god even in this brand new game mode. Like honestly, are we even surprised at this point? This dude is so perfectly designed that he just dominates everywhere. Any mode, any fight, any content. Throw Onslaught in, and he just starts deleting health bars like he's clearing notifications on his phone. So here's the game plan for Coliseum. Same classic Onslaught gameplay, but even more satisfying. Build as many Neuroshocks as you can. Long pause them using that heavy, then boom! Drop that massive SP2. And all those Neuroshocks turn straight into disgusting degen damage. You'll watch Adam Warlock's health bars disappear one after another like you're swiping left on spam messages. It's crazy. It's beautiful. It's Onslaught doing Onslaught things. Yeah, the long pause mechanic can be tricky if you're new, but for anyone who's played Onslaught for even a few days, it's muscle memory at this point. They do it in their sleep, and that's why he's number 1. This fight, this mode, this entire setup, it's literally tailor-made for him to flex. Onslaught is, once again, the best champion in Marvel Contest of Champions for this new Coliseum mode. No doubts, no questions, no competition. The throne remains untouched. And that's it, boys. Those are my top 5 champions for the very first Coliseum fight. This mode is fresh, it's fun, and honestly, it feels like the perfect place to really test out those high-skill, high-ramp champions we usually sleep on. But yo, I want to hear your picks too. Drop your top champions for this fight down in the comments. Because we're already planning a top 10 best champions for Coliseum video. And who knows, your pick might end up on that list. So yeah, thanks for hanging out, thanks for the love, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crazy breakdowns like this. Alright guys, take care, good luck in Coliseum, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.